Time, it's the one thing we all have, but never enough of. Let me tell you the story of Jack, the clockmaker, a man who understood time better than anyone, but forgot its most important lesson. Jack spent his days repairing and creating beautiful clocks in his tiny workshop. He was a master of his craft, known for his precision and care. Each clock he built told its own story, its ticking heartbeat a reminder of life's rhythm. But Jack was also a man of hesitation. He dreamed of opening a grand shop in the town square, where his work could be admired by all. Yet every time he thought of it, he would sigh and say, "Not today. Tomorrow I'll begin." One evening, as Jack was finishing a delicate repair, he noticed a strange old clock on his workbench. He didn't remember placing it there. It was unlike anything he had ever seen, ornate, golden, with hands that moved in unpredictable patterns. Curious, Jack picked it up, and as he did, the clock began to speak in a soft, almost melodic voice. "Jack," it said, "I am the clock of opportunity. I come only once, and I wait for no one. You have one chance. Act now, or let your dreams slip away." Startled but intrigued, Jack placed the clock back down. He laughed nervously. "What nonsense," he muttered. "There's always time. Tomorrow I'll make plans for the shop. Tomorrow I'll act." The clock stopped ticking. Its hands froze and its golden light dimmed. Jack didn't notice. He had already turned his attention back to his workbench. The next morning, when Jack looked for the clock, it was gone. He searched high and low, but it was nowhere to be found. Years passed. Jack continued to build his clocks, always dreaming of his shop but never taking the first step. One day he walked through the town square and saw a new clockmaker's shop in the very spot he had imagined for his own. The windows were filled with beautiful timepieces, drawing in a crowd of admirers. Jack stood there, his heart sinking. He knew then that the clock of opportunity had been real. It had given him a chance, a fleeting moment to act, and he had let it slip through his fingers. You see, Jack taught us a valuable lesson. Opportunity doesn't wait. It whispers to you softly. And if you don't listen, it moves on to someone else. The chance you hesitate to take today may never come again. So I ask you, what opportunity are you waiting to seize? Don't be like Jack, trapped by hesitation. Time is ticking, and the clock of opportunity may already be calling your name.